Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when earbuds automatically starts or pause the music. And the first one what we can do is to check if you have the last software version. Open the application and click on your device here. Then go to the update and check for the update, and I said that I have the last software version. If you haven't, install a new one and it can fix your problem. Next. Also, I recommend it to perform a soft reset. Just put your earbuds to the charging case, close the case. After that, your earbuds will disconnect it from your phone, and you just open the charging case, it will reconnect, and maybe it fixes your problem. If it doesn't, also it can be a problem of the audio player. Let's say you use Apple Music, and first I recommend it to remove it from the cache and open it again, check, maybe it fixes your problem. If it doesn't, also recommended to update this audio player application. And if all of these methods didn't help you, I recommended to perform a hard reset. So go to the settings, Bluetooth, and then put your earbuds to the charging case and press and hold both of these touch areas until this LED light starts flashing red. Firstly it's flashing white and then it will flashing red. Here we go, now you can release your finger, and firstly we should remove these earbuds from the phone, so click the information icon or settings icon, forget this device, forget device. Also if you have Android, click pair new device, and after a hard reset these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so just click on it at the device list, and we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!